Zhijiazhuang Zhongtai Pipe Technology Development Company Limited was established in 2000, located in Zhijiazhuang City, adjacent to Beijing. The company owns a manufacturing center of more than 35,000 square meters and is one of the largest pipe-making machine manufacturers and designers in China. We have over 20 research and development crews with more than 40 patents regarding various of pipe-making machine structures. Over the years, we have successfully developed and manufactured fully automatic pipeline, multifunctional pipeline, automobile high-strength steel pipeline, and straight-welded API pipeline with maximum 28 inches OD. ZTZG has developed advanced forming technology, which allows tooling sharing, improves production efficiency, and supports one-button operation. We have obtained ISO 9001 and CE certificates. Our products exist throughout Russia, Southeast Asia, Europe, South America, Japan, Turkey, and other countries and regions. Each can be customized according to regional standard. ZTZG is also constantly improving the global supply chain system and sales service system, committed to providing customers with more high-end intelligent cold roll and welding pipe equipment solutions and product services. We are looking forward to establish a long-term business relationship with overseas in the near future based on mutual benefits. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us for more details.
ZTZG is one of the largest pipe-making manufacturer in China with a history about more than 20 years. We have a professional research and development team and efficient service. We welcome our customers from all over the world to visit our company. We will customize the equipment according to your requirements. Welcome to contact us.